Hi, welcome to this tutorial on user and employee management. In this tutorial, we'll look at adding a user or employee, viewing an employee's details, updating an employee's details, and resetting a user's password. Let's get started. To manage employees, you navigate to the Manage Employees tab. In this section, you'll be able to add employees with or without system access. To add a new employee, you click on the Add New Employee button and indicate the details related to this employee. So for instance, we'll be adding James. We indicate his details such as name, date of birth, then NRC number. You then indicate his phone number and his address. So James will be a cashier. You indicate a salary, and then a commission can be computed based on the sales in the particular period. So this can then be set up here. So you indicate a commission rate, which can either be a percentage or fixed. Then you can also set up an employment status. In the event that this person stops working for you, all you have to do is then update this employment status to not employed here. This would deactivate them from payroll and they'll no longer have system access. So if this particular employee should be able to access a system, you can then select a system role for them. By default, there are two system roles that are set up, an admin and a sales role. Additional roles can be set up and more information can be found on our website. Then the NAPSA Social Security number for this individual can also be entered so that it is used when generating the NAPSA return. If for whatever reason this person is supposed to be exempt from NAPSA, you can then select that and that will automatically exempt the NAPSA computation on both their payroll and the NAPSA return. Once all this is set up, you can then add the new employee. This employee is then added to the list and available to do all the system features that they are allowed to do. For instance, their system role was sales, and then they'll be able to then get into the system and perform sales related functions. If a user forgets their password, you can reset the password by clicking on the reset password button, indicate the username of the person whose password is supposed to be reset, indicate the new password that they are supposed to use, and then you enter your own login password to validate that you actually have the permission to do this. To view the details about a registered employee, you click on their name in the list of registered employees. You will then be presented with all the details related to this employee. Some of the features that are available here is that the person's details can be updated, or if need be, the employee's details can then be deleted. To edit the employee details, you click on the Edit Employee Details button. Then in the form that appears, you update all the details that you would then like to update. For instance, if that changed, you could then update everything and save. Thank you for watching our tutorial. For more information and the reference manual, please visit our website and then you'll find all the relevant documentation there. Thank you. See you next time.